DeFi is changing the face of the financial world as we know it, but users still need advanced blockchain knowledge to interact effectively. Fiat on-rampers are often limited in providing tokens on varying blockchains to their users. This results in a complex journey for those requiring unusual tokens on different blockchains. Etherspot solves these problems and enables Fiat on-rampers to allow their users to purchase any token on any supported EVM network, all from inside their app. Now your app can go cross-chain without investing perpetually in infrastructure. All the necessary steps to achieve this are batched into a single transaction. Additionally, Etherspot adds functionality for on-rampers to guide their user from fiat directly to any NFT they wish to purchase with no interim hassles. Users can even be provided with non-custodial smart wallets via your onboarding by simple email validation. Etherspot takes care of it and seamlessly onboards users, straight from fiat to whatever they're after on any supported blockchain in a few clicks. No stress. Step away from the hurdles that stop your clients from engaging with your products. Let Etherspot make your on-ramp service the simplest and most dynamic on the market. Your users will thank you. Etherspot, the fastest way to acquire users cross-chain without providing liquidity.